Today's video is a repair story and reveal, an unboxing and another unboxing. And maybe if I don't ramble too long, I'll do a what's in my bag. So I hope you stick around and watch. The first unboxing is technically an unbagging, and I picked up my first order from Mikahson Sport. I am a sucker for a custom bag, so points for you. I already love the custom stickers on the packaging. Love it. I think that if you have a small business and you do extra things like that, like, custom stickers, custom bags, it doesn't have to be over the top, but consumers appreciate it. I know I do. And I consider myself a serious consumer. Okay, so I have a mask. Very cute. Oh, my Wil Mikahson mask. And one in white. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I love it. And it's got the pocket so that you can put the filter in. Because at work sometimes a lot of times I'll wear two masks just to make sure, A handwritten note. You can't beat that. The card that comes along with, I won't read the back. Some willpower bracelets. Awesome. Oh, and there you go. My Mikahson Sport t-shirt. It's like I'm not sure what material it is, but it feels amazing. It's not cotton. It's like one of those dry fit t-shirts. That's what it is. It's dry fit. And I adore it. So that is my first unboxing. The second one is, this is from Neiman's or Nordstrom, but I ripped the tag off already. And I actually don't know what's in it. I've been racking my brain since I came upstairs to figure out what it was I bought. And I'm like, what did I buy? But we will all see. So I just ripped the label off so my address was on it. Okay. Oh, okay. So my friend Angie, a while on my birthday, bought me the Diptyque diffuser that you plug in, and these are the refills. Both are tuberose, which is my favorite scent from Diptyque. I forgot I even bought those. And they had a sample thing. You bought something, you got a free sample of different perfumes, and I've got Black Orchid, Gucci Bloom, and Dylan Turquoise. We'll see how I think that's actually a Versace scent. I know that Gucci Bloom is Gucci, and I'm not sure who Black Orchid is, but we will see how they smell at another time. And I might do a perfume video. We'll see, because I don't have that many perfumes, but maybe we'll talk about it. But now on to the repair portion of this. I actually have two. I'll start with the small one first. I took my XL monogram strap, and it had the black on it. I took it back to Louis Vuitton a few weeks ago because it had like the glazing on it was rubbing off and it was just damaged. I don't know what the deal is, but it is what it is. And instead of repairing it, they ended up replacing it. So I picked it up today, and she is in perfect condition. This is probably, I would say, probably my favorite accessory that I've ever bought from Louis Vuitton, because it goes on just about every bag I have, whether it's black or monogram or neither one. It still is probably one of my more versatile accessories, so I'm very happy. with this purchase and replacement. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite straps. I actually use this strap on most of my bags. Even if it came with a strap, I normally switch it out with this one because it's just awesome. And now on to my next one. So that was the easy story. Now this one is the bento bag. A while back, I mentioned it in a video that something stunk in my bag, and I don't recall spilling anything in it, and I don't recall setting it down on anything, but I must have, or something dripped on it, because at the bottom, you could kind of tell where something had seeped through the leather, and I was like, whatever it was, I didn't like that smell. So, yeah, it was pretty terrible to me. Yeah, I am kind of sensitive to smell, so it just bothered me. And anyway, I tried every home remedy that anybody ever told me in the comments, that I read on Instagram or Google searched or whatever. I tried baking soda, I tried dryer sheets, I tried coffee, I tried that orange spray from Amazon, you name it, I tried it. So I finally took it back to Louis Vuitton and said, hey, my bag stinks. How much will it be to replace the liner? And they basically said, we're not going to do that. But what they did offer me was a store credit for the value that I paid for the bag. And I thought about it and thought about it. And I really love that bag. And I was just like, ugh, I'm never going to find another one exactly like that. And I know that Louis Vuitton has a new one out that's kind of close, but it's not the same to me, and I like it, but the strap bothers me on it. So it's like a chain and a leather combination strap, and I only like leather or chain. I don't like a combination strap unless it's in that Chanel Jumbo Classic, and that's just because it's woven through. But any other bag, I want it to be one or the other. So I was like, I waited. I left the bag there at Louis Vuitton for forever, it seemed like. And then I decided to just go get it because a friend of mine mentioned to me the Rago Brothers. So went on their website, filled out the form, mailed them my bag. They did an amazing job. I mean, whatever that smell was, they got it out. I was thoroughly impressed. But they left me a love mark on my bag. And I know it was small. I'll try to insert a picture here. I know it was small. And I know that nobody else would see that but me, but I would see it and it would bother me. Do you know how you know what I mean? If you're watching this video this far into it, you know what I mean, and you know it would bother you too. So there we go. So I called them up and I explained it to them and I sent them pictures of the bag and I said, and one day I happened to be in Louis Vuitton and I said, hey, let me see my bag. I wanted to take pictures of it. And I'm so glad that I did because after I got it back from the Rago Brothers, I had sent them the before and then the after pictures. And they were incredibly apologetic. They owned it. They refunded me, apologized. It is what it is. Mistakes happen. And okay, so now my bag smells good, but my lock is scratched. So now what do? So I take it back to Louis Vuitton again and then have them replace the lock for me. And I believe it was 120. I think it was 120 to replace the lock. So I got my girl back and now I'm happy. The Louis Vuitton bento bag. Isn't she beautiful? And the lock is brand spanking new. There we go. Yeah, she's beautiful. I mean, whew. It was one of those locks where you're the first person to pull that plastic off type of lock. It was one of those deals. And she still smells awesome. Yeah. So this is going to go right back on the shelf for a little while, and I always stored her with a bag of rice, like a Ziploc bag of rice right here to prevent that curling But when she was with the Rago Brothers and with Louis Vuitton, they didn't store her the way I do, so it's starting to pop a little bit. But I can fix that with, a Ziploc bag of rice, so it'll be fine. But yes, I'm super to have her back, and I might use her tomorrow, so yeah, we'll see. Oh, there you go. Tomorrow's bag of the day, so there we go. If I go anywhere. If not, she'll wait till Monday. I'm trying to stay home more now. And speaking of staying home, you know what? That's a story for another day. I'll just go straight to the bag of the day. Is the Louis Vuitton vintage time trunk. Isn't she pretty? And I've had this bag. I've been rocking it for almost a week. I've rocked her since Monday, I believe it was. And inside, a mini pochette, which is used as my toiletry pouch. My ladybug coin holder I got from my friend Yota. Thank you. An extra mask because, you can always need an extra mask. My Louis Vuitton business card holder. My Louis Vuitton key something pouch. My Louis Vuitton key clay, 6-ring key holder, sorry. My Samsung headphones. Push that down so y'all see that. There we go. My Saint Laurent card holder. A perfume diffuser. And I am sure that this is, oh yeah. This is Jimmy Choo's Fever. If you don't know what it smells like, it is amazing. It is amazing. And my Louis Vuitton hoop earrings. And I threw them in my bag on Tuesday morning. And I said, I'm going to put my earrings in and wear them to work. And they've been in this bag since Tuesday morning. I got vaccinated on Tuesday morning, right after I, went to work, and I got vaccinated, and I was fine until about 1 o'clock, and then I felt like a truck hit me. Yeah, pretty much until I would say Friday afternoon. I was still able to work because, I'm one of those people that if I can suck it up, I'm gonna go. That's just the way I am, my work ethic. I'm always that way. So I felt really bad. I didn't have a fever and I didn't have the chills or anything else like that. I just felt complete exhaustion. So, everybody seems to be having different symptoms or side effects or whatever you want to call it. But am I glad I still got it? Absolutely. Am I going back for my second dose? Absolutely. So, I won't suggest you do anything. I think that that's an individual choice and that you do what you think is right for you. I'll leave it on that. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay kind, just be nice. Aloha.